Hey there, so what we have here is the horizontal guardrail kit, and this specific version is the shorter version that is meant to be used with some sort of top rail. Depending upon the kit you buy, the post and a top rail may or may not be included. So for this specific kit, we have the pickets, we have the top and bottom rail, we have the two posts, and then we have two different kinds of top rail we can use. So I'm gonna assemble the section first. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put it in. So what we're gonna do next is we're gonna attach the brackets that will hold onto the post. And notice that brackets are gonna have one hole on the narrow end of the bracket. What we'd like to do is to face these holes kind of pointing inwards towards each other. So we're gonna use these screws and we're gonna secure the bracket onto the post after we slide it onto the guardrail. So making sure the hole is facing each other. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna prop this up, so this way it's sitting on something that is less than 4 inches high. So I'm gonna take the box that it came with, I'm just gonna pad the bottom over here. Once we're done with this, we're gonna go ahead and secure the 4 holes that are facing each other on the bottom and up top over here. Once again, this guardrail fence is a shorter version. It is meant to be used with a top rail. So we're gonna go ahead and install a top rail that you can use. It can be metal, it can be wood. We're gonna use a specific metal that comes with our product. I'm gonna go on like this. What we're gonna do now is install the bracket first. So this is the guardrail, shorter guardrail section that we have that is meant to be used with a top rail. Specifically, we used a metal top rail, and our sectional kits can be used either completely as our kit with our post and top rail, or you can purchase them separately and you can put it with 4x4 wood, you can use a wood top rail, it doesn't really matter. Comparing this product versus our standalone kit, you will notice that a standalone kit does not require a top rail for that. It is meant to be all by itself standalone.